everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do another unboxing and I'm going to dive in and tell you all about it after I open the package because I literally don't want to wait any longer. That was for Britta. Okay, so what we have here is a notebook made by the pen company Twisbi, or maybe it's the paper company that makes fountain pens. I don't know. But one of our viewers told me about this notebook, and we're going to put her information right here. And she told me about it, and so I went and bought it because, well, who can resist a notebook? But she said that the paper was really, really nice and that she really liked it, so I got a blank one. It's really thick. Like, can you see how thick it is? It's not like the Leuchtturm, which I have right here. Let me show you that real quick. And I am going to do a pen test, so I'm glad I have that. But here's the Leuchtturm insert right here, which is a lot smaller. And the paper, let me feel the paper. So the Twisbi paper is slightly thicker, but they're both about the same color. Let's test it out because I like paper. Okay. You guys are going to get so tired of me writing Old Man Winter in every book. But that's how I know what ink it is. All right, so it's very nice and smooth. It has a nice shading with the ink. And let's see, this is Vanishing Point. Yeah, I think it's going to be great. And I think I know what I'm going to use this for as well. So this is definitely going to be one I use with a pen because the paper is very smooth, so I wouldn't want to use it with a pencil. And if you've ever used pencil on a smooth sheet of paper, then you know you don't like it because it smears and looks gross. So how do you like that? It looks gross. But anyway, this is, I think this is going to be a really nice addition to my notebook collection, which I have many. And thank you very much for recommending this to me. I'm going to look forward to using it. And I bought this off of, I believe off of Amazon. It is from Twisbi Inc. right there in Torrance, California. It took about a week to get here, and I guess let me know if you want an update on how it goes, and I will be happy to update you on it. And oh yes, if you're looking for a notebook to use this in, this will fit in the wide, our size wide. This will definitely fit in there. It's about 8 1/4 by 5, and I just have a hunch. I'm going off of a hunch of the size of it. I haven't measured it, but I'm sure that's what it is. Because if you look at this one, yeah, it's about 1 inch bigger. So I would say this will go right into a wide. This is an A5, so it'll fit in a wide. Did I say wide enough? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to read you the specs right off of Amazon's website because I don't have that great of a memory. But let's see. So it is tailored for fountain pens, which I agree. The fountain pen wrote very nicely on it. There's not a lot of feedback though, so if you like the feedback with your nib, you may not like this paper. It is pretty smooth, but this particular nib gives me enough feedback that I'm okay with that. And for those of you who don't know, feedback is when you feel the texture through your nib. You can feel that. So you're getting that feedback and you know where your nib is. You don't slide all over the page. My handwriting looks better. Anyway, let's see. It measures 5.25 inches wide and 8.25 inches tall, which is exactly what I said, a wide. It'll fit in our wide size notebooks. And let's see here. It comes in lined, gridded, or blank. This one is blanked. This one is blank, and the notebook has 240 pages. So it's nice and thick, which I really like, and it's going to be my diary. So that's what I'll use it for. But all right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today while I did this really quick unboxing. Let me know if you have one of these notebooks. I would love to know what you think about it in the comments below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.